How to lock your Apple Pay card 2025 method. What would you do if you suddenly realized your phone was missing, your wallet was gone, or your Apple Pay card might be in the wrong hands right now? Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They panic, freeze, and waste precious minutes trying to remember what to do. And in that short window of time, real money can disappear. The surprising truth about mobile payments is that they are incredibly secure, but only if you know exactly how to use their built-in safety tools. Today, you are going to learn exactly how to lock your Apple Pay card in 2025, step by step, and how to protect yourself instantly, calmly, and correctly. By the end of this video, you will know how to freeze your Apple Pay cards, how to suspend payments, how to secure your Apple ID, what to do if your phone is stolen, how to unlock your card safely, and how to prevent this situation from ever becoming stressful again. Let's begin by understanding what locking your Apple Pay card actually means. When you lock or suspend an Apple Pay card, you are not canceling your bank account. You are not closing your credit card. You are simply stopping Apple Pay from authorizing new transactions from that card until you say it is safe again. Think of it like closing a gate. Everything behind the gate stays intact, but no new activity can pass through. This is powerful, because it gives you instant control even if your phone is lost, stolen, or compromised. Now, here is the first thing most people get wrong. They think that removing a card from Apple Pay deletes it forever. It does not. You can suspend, lock, or remove and then re-add your cards later. You stay in control the entire time. Now let's go step by step. Method 1 is the fastest and most common way to lock your Apple Pay card directly from your iPhone. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Wallet app. Inside Wallet, you will see all of your Apple Pay cards listed. Tap on the card that you want to lock. Once you are viewing that card, tap the three dots in the upper corner to open card details. In the card information screen, you will see an option to suspend or remove the card from Apple Pay. When you select this, Apple Pay immediately stops authorizing payments for that card on that device. At that exact moment, your card becomes unusable through Apple Pay on that phone. No purchases can be made with it until you re-enable it. This is already powerful. But what if you do not have your phone? This is where things get even more impressive. You can lock your Apple Pay cards remotely. If your phone is lost, stolen, or broken, go to any other device or computer and sign into your Apple ID account. Once you are logged in, go to the Devices section and select your missing iPhone. From there, you can manage Apple Pay and remove all cards remotely. This instantly disables Apple Pay payments on that phone, even if someone else is holding it. You won't believe what happens next. Even if the phone is powered on, unlocked, and connected to the internet, Apple Pay transactions will fail immediately once the card is suspended remotely. Now let's talk about the Find My iPhone method. If your phone is missing, open the Find My app on another Apple device or log into iCloud. Select your missing iPhone. Inside the device menu, you will see security options including locking the phone, enabling lost mode, and suspending Apple Pay. When you activate lost mode, Apple Pay is automatically disabled, your phone locks itself, and your contact message can appear on the screen. This single action locks down your entire Apple Pay system in seconds. Now let's talk about locking specific cards instead of the entire phone. You can also manage your Apple Pay cards through your card issuer's app. Most banks allow you to freeze or lock your card directly in their mobile banking app. When you freeze a card at the bank level, Apple Pay will also be blocked for that card. This is helpful if you believe only one card may be compromised. Here is how that usually works. Open your bank's mobile app. Find your credit or debit card. Look for an option that says Lock Card, Freeze Card, or Temporarily Disable Card. Tap it. Once it is frozen, Apple Pay will no longer authorize purchases with that card. Now let's talk about unlocking your Apple Pay card safely. When you find your phone or resolve the issue, you can unlock your Apple Pay card just as easily. Go back into the Wallet app, select the card, and choose to re-enable it. If you froze it through your bank, simply unfreeze it in the banking app. Within seconds, your Apple Pay is fully active again. Now let's address a critical safety question. What if someone has your phone and your passcode? This is why Apple Pay uses multiple layers of protection. Even if someone knows your passcode, Face ID or Touch ID is required for most transactions. And if you suspect your passcode may be compromised, you should immediately change your Apple ID password and device passcode, then suspend Apple Pay. Now let's talk about Apple Pay on Apple Watch. Many people forget that Apple Pay can be active on both their iPhone and their Apple Watch. You can manage Apple Pay cards separately on each device. If your watch is missing, you can go into the Watch app on your iPhone and remove Apple Pay cards from the watch instantly. This is another layer of protection most people overlook. Now let's talk about prevention. One of the smartest things you can do is set up Find My iPhone, two-factor authentication for your Apple ID, and biometric authentication for Apple Pay. These three together make your Apple Pay system extremely difficult to abuse even if your device is lost. You should also turn on notifications for Apple Pay transactions. This way, you receive instant alerts for any charge. If something looks wrong, you can lock your card immediately. Now let's talk about real-world impact. Mobile payment fraud often happens quickly. A few minutes can make the difference between zero loss and hundreds of dollars lost. Knowing how to lock your Apple Pay card immediately puts the power back in your hands. Now let's review the fastest possible response plan. If your phone is missing, open Find My and activate Lost Mode. This locks your phone and disables Apple Pay instantly. If your card seems compromised but your phone is safe, freeze the card in your bank app or remove it from wallet. If your Apple ID may be compromised, change your Apple ID password and suspend Apple Pay. These three actions protect you completely. Now let's answer the main question. Is Apple Pay safe in 2025? The surprising truth is that Apple Pay is one of the safest ways to pay, as long as you know how to use its security tools. Apple Pay never shares your actual card number with merchants, uses device-specific tokens, and requires biometric authentication. Combined with instant locking and remote control, it offers far more control than traditional plastic cards. Now let's wrap this up. Knowing how to lock your Apple Pay card is not just a convenience, it is a financial safety skill. It allows you to stay calm in stressful moments, stop fraud instantly, and protect your money with confidence. If you remember nothing else from today, remember this: you are never powerless with Apple Pay. You are always in control. One tap, one login, and your cards can be frozen instantly. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more clear, simple guides that protect your money and your digital life.